Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the timing belt on a Ford Focus 1.6 Ti-Vct. First, ensure you have all the correct tools and parts, including a new timing belt kit, a torque wrench, and a set of jack stands for safety. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Then, carefully lift the front of the car and secure it on jack stands. Next, remove the auxiliary drive belt and the crankshaft pulley to gain access to the timing cover. Now, let's get to the timing belt itself. You'll need to remove both the upper and lower timing belt covers. These are usually held in place by several bolts. Once the covers are off, rotate the crankshaft until the timing marks on both the crankshaft and camshaft sprockets are perfectly aligned. This is a critical step to ensure proper engine timing. With the marks aligned, you can then loosen the timing belt tensioner and carefully slide the old timing belt off the sprockets. With the old belt removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place the new timing belt onto the crankshaft sprocket, then over the camshaft sprocket, and finally around the water pump pulley. Throughout this process, double-check that all your timing marks remain perfectly aligned. Once the belt is in place, adjust the new timing belt tensioner according to the manufacturer's specifications. This ensures the belt has the correct amount of tension for optimal performance and longevity. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reinstall the lower and upper timing belt covers, making sure all bolts are securely tightened. Then, reattach the crankshaft pulley and the auxiliary drive belt. Once these components are in place, reconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Start the engine and listen for any unusual noises, ensuring it runs smoothly. A short test drive will confirm that the timing belt replacement was successful and your engine is performing as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.